Hey guys, it's Jade. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour, as you can tell by the title of this video. There's no real reason for me to do this room tour, like my room isn't anything special, but I am moving soon, so I thought I would show you what my current room looks like. I'm really excited to move actually because I'm so bored of my room, and moving just gives me an excuse to redecorate. And I've wanted to like switch around my room, like switch my bed and my desk for a while now, but my mom said no. Can't wait to have like a new space to decorate, and hopefully I'll be able to decorate it more and just like make it better than this room is. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. So here's my door. It's nothing special, it's just plain white. But once you walk inside, you walk into a literal sauna. So I'm gonna give you a quick overview. So that's the basis of my room. We're gonna start on the left side where we have this nightstand. This is from Amazon. It was pretty cheap, but on top we just have 3 pairs of sunglasses. My little iHome speaker, I love this thing. We have my giant water bottle because we gotta stay hydrated. On top of this coaster with my favorite Burt's Bees chapstick. We have this Samsung tablet and my AirPods. And if you look inside this drawer, it is filled to the top with random things that I don't know what to do with. And then down here is just like a bunch of like notebooks and random stuff like that. This bin is just full of like crafting supplies, like a hole puncher, glue, glitter, paper towels, just random stuff like that. And then under here we have this little thing where I keep all my old schoolwork. Here we have my power strip where I just plug in all my chargers. And then here is my bed. Nothing special, it's literally all white. And I guess this like cream color. But my headboard is from Target. And then I just have these lights that I think are from like Michael's or Walmart. I'm not really sure. This pillow is from, I want to say Kohl's, but I don't really know. And then my bedding is also from Kohl's. And then we have this body pillow. This cover is from Target. And if we come to the other side of my bed, we have this other nightstand. It's the same as the previous one. We just have my remotes for my TV, tissues, this vanilla Bath & Body Works candle that smells so good. Then we have this little cactus plant that I think is from Michael's. And then in this drawer, I have all of my fuzzy socks. It's filled to the brim with fuzzy socks. There's so many. And then down here is like a bunch more random books, and then that thing is full of like squishies and EOS and random stuff. Then we have this window, and we have this light. I'm not sure where it's from, probably like Target or Walmart or something. Then we have this silver like background thing that I got for my birthday party. There's actually 2 of them layered because with only one you could like see the wall more. But I thought I would keep it up for like filming backgrounds, even though I literally haven't filmed a makeup video. I think I'm probably gonna take this down and throw it away. I'm probably not gonna take it to the new house because I think I want a cuter background than this. To the right of that, we have my tripod and my studio light. This is just here because I don't feel like putting it away if I'm gonna be filming. I don't know if I'm gonna be filming this week, but I want to, so I just left it out. Then we have my hamper and my vanity. We also have my laptop right here. I'm gonna move this to the bed. Above the vanity, we have these 2 big windows, and in my new room, my windows aren't like this big. It's like 2 separate windows, like far apart from each other, which I will really miss like one big window, especially since the sun rises over there. So I just like wake up to the sun in the morning when I decide to wake up at a reasonable time. Like today I woke up at noon, so I did not see the sun rising, but I really like having the big window, although it does get really hot in here. That's why I have the fan over there. But this little corner right here might be one of my favorite parts of the room. We just have all of my Mario Badescu sprays and my toner. And we also have this little plant from Target. Then we just have my Wonder Mirror. It's a light up mirror from Amazon, nothing too special. And then down here we have tweezers and nail clippers, my beauty sponge, and my favorite Vaseline lip therapy thing. This makes your lips so soft and so plump and look just so glossy when you have it on. Then we have my contacts. I don't know why they're here. They're usually in the bathroom, but Then we have my frequently used makeup brushes, and then makeup brushes I almost never use, as well as a Sharpie. And then right here we have all of my Peach Bath & Body Works things, like my body spray, and then my 3 hand sanitizers. I love hand sanitizers. You'll see that in a second. And I'll just quickly go through what's in all these drawers. When I do like an in-depth makeup collection, you'll see like all of the products, but I'll just quickly go through. Here's like my foundation, concealer, and powder drawer, as well as some broken like eyeshadows and blushes that I want to fix. This is my blush, highlight, and bronzer drawer. I literally only own this as a bronzer, but... And back there we have some palettes, but I only use the face products in here, so I just kept it in the face drawer. This drawer has my mascaras, my eyeliners, and my brow products, as well as like single shadows, and this like tiny eyeshadow quad, and liquid eyeshadows, and shadow crayons. Then this one has my eye primer and some glitters. This drawer has all of my like lip glosses, liquid lipsticks, lip pencils, as well as lipsticks, like bullet lipsticks, as well as this like lipstick crayon thing. And here we have all of my makeup bags. I have like 4 of them. And then that's just like a little Burt's Bees box where I got a lot of my Burt's Bees chapsticks. And then down here is my palette drawer, and I know people love palettes, so I'll show you guys all of these. We have the Color Workshop Smoky Eyes palette. I've literally never used this before because it's really cheap, but maybe I'll try to use it for a video if it's still available. And then we have the Graveyard Girl Swamp Queen palette. This one is so pretty. I really love the blush and highlight shades. Then we have one of my favorite palettes, which is the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. This is so pretty, definitely worth the money. Next we have another one of my favorite palettes. This is the ColourPop Yes Please palette. It is so gorgeous and the shadows blend beautifully. Then we just have this Scotch tape for when I do like makeup looks like the one I did today where I want a straight edge. Then we have this Ulta Beauty Z palette that has no shadows in it, but this mirror is amazing. Like, it's the clearest mirror I've ever seen for an eyeshadow palette. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with that, but I am. We have this little Ulta Beauty eyeshadow palette that I really like the shimmers in. That's the only reason I have it. And this thing just fell out. That's okay. And we have this Wet n Wild All Natural palette in the Bare Necessities one. Great for like beginners, even though there's only like 2 mattes in it. Then back here I have the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I love this palette. It's a great rainbow eyeshadow palette, a great dupe for the Morphe 35B because they no longer sell that. And then we have the biggest palette, the Morphe X James Charles palette. I love this palette. It is so good. Despite what you might think about James Charles, I really like his palette. This shade is so good for highlighting and just for like everything. I have it on my lid and I use it as a highlight almost every single day. And all the other shades are really good too. So that's all my palettes. I don't have that many, but I really want to buy a bunch more. I really want the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker one. That's what I'm saving up for next. And then on this side, we just have like my everyday skincare one. We just have primers, setting sprays, random skincare stuff, makeup wipes, jewelry, cotton pads, moisturizer, deodorant. This is full of chapstick. I really love this container. This one is random. It has perfume samples and like tea tree oil, cuticle oil, extra beauty sponge, and Aeos. It's really random. This drawer is all face masks for the most part. We just have these Freeman ones, these Formula 10.0.6. We have some sample cleansers. We have some foundation brushes that I like to apply face masks with. There's some body sprays back here, some cotton squares, some lotions, and this mirror that connects to that one. It's like a ×10, so yeah, you really get to see everything. Then this drawer is my hair drawer. It is very unorganized, but we have all my scrunchies back here, some random hair products, a curling wand is in there, hair brushes, dry shampoo, hairspray. This drawer is my nail polish drawer. I took the time and I cut out little pieces of paper to glue on top of all these so I could see what color was what easier. And then we have a bunch of fake nail packs right here. And just like random other nail stuff, peel off base coats, random nail stuff. And then this drawer is literally a packaging drawer because I'm really that person. You're paying for the packaging as well as the product, so you might as well keep it if it's cute. So that is my vanity, really brief. If you want me to like go through every single product, I can do that in an in-depth makeup collection, but I do want to get more products. I'm actually going to Walmart tonight and buying some makeup, so we'll be able to fill these drawers a little bit more. Here I have a trash can. It's literally me. We have this Easter basket and it still has some Easter candy in it, even though Easter was 3 months ago. Here we have my, oh wait, you can see me, that's really cute. I'm using a selfie stick to film this because it's easier than holding my little tripod. Also, my outfit really matches. That's really cute. But here we have my fan. This is a lifesaver. It's not on right now because I wanted you guys to have good audio, but I am sweating so much, so I will be turning this on right after I end this video. Here is my closet. If you want to see an in-depth closet tour, you can watch my second closet declutter video. It's up in the eye right now, and you can go see like in-depth what my closet looks like. It's nothing too exciting. Then if you come over here, we have this 9-cube organizer thing that I just have a bunch of random things on, as well as my TV. I actually stole this from my sister's room the other day, and I'm actually obsessed with having a TV in my room. It's kind of old, but as long as I have a TV, I'm like fine. And then we have this little like letter thing. Oh my god. But this is from Five Below. And then if we come down here in this first organizer, we have these 2 Funko Pops. These are just Riverdale ones. We have Jughead and Betty. And we have this little Autumn Blooms body butter that Abigail's mom gave me because she's literally one of the nicest people I know. And then over here we have this book because I thought it was like aesthetic. And we have these bath salts that Maya gave me for Christmas one year. We have another plant from Michael's. And we have my corsage that Maya's boyfriend got for everybody because nobody had dates except for Maya in our friend group. So, and then over here we have the other 2 Funko Pops from Riverdale. We have Veronica and Archie, and we just have this really new phone case that I want to put stickers on and stuff, and I don't want it to get dirty, so it's just sitting right there. And then if we come over here, this is my favorite shelf out of all of them. We have all of my Pocket Back hand sanitizers. I literally am obsessed with these. Every time I go to Bath & Body Works, I get like 20 of them. That's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I have 15 right here, 1 right there, 3 over there, and a couple in my lunchbox, I think, and my backpack. So I have a lot of them. Not all of them are right here, which might shock you, but I don't even know. I don't really use them. I just love them for aesthetic purposes. So, and we also have this Sephora bag that's empty, I think. Oh, it has a receipt in it. And then over here, we just have this tissue box because I didn't know what to put here, so. And then over here, we have this candle I made at the Candle Lab. It has orange zest, pomegranate, and watermelon. And then we have this bag. This is from Kohl's, and we just have this pom-pom on it. I never used this bag, so I thought I'd use it for aesthetic purposes once again. Then here we have all my bracelet making things, like all my thread, some random other bracelets, and then this is full of my Papermate flare pens for my bullet journal and just like taking notes in general at school. Here we have my Disney Princess Funko Pops. I wanted to collect all these, but I don't know if I even want to keep my Funko Pops anymore. But now that I'm looking at like Jughead, I think I want to keep them. But like I'd rather spend my money on like a car and makeup. So I'm probably not going to keep collecting these for a while. But I think they're really cute. And then over here we just have, I don't even know what that is, and a bunch of books that I don't read because I haven't finished a book since 8th grade and I'm going to be a sophomore. So books. Reading is just not a priority for me. Then if we come over here, we have my shoes. We just have my Birks, my Vans, and my Nikes. And then we have my door. We just have this sweatshirt I stole from my cousin. This Aerie bag that just has a pencil pouch in it full of a bunch of pens. And my robe that my mom got me for Christmas. And my Vera Bradley lanyard that is really dirty and disgusting. But yeah. That is all I have for you guys in this video. I'm laying down because I don't feel like standing anymore, and I've been talking for like 20 minutes straight. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.